is all the luggage we had to come with. Morgan's golf clubs, my clothes, his clothes and suit, more of my clothes and wedding stuff, and the wedding dress, the most important bag of them all. It's my wedding day. I can't even believe that those words are coming out of my mouth. I need to get some eye patches because these little babies, I'm telling you, we have been so go, go, go. We've been having so much fun. There's always an errand to run or something to do, and it's catching up with me. So I have little bags, but nothing that some coolness and a little, we gotta turn these down, it's hot in here. And makeup can't cover, so it's fine. I am up in the get ready suite, so we rented a suite and they gave us this one, and they like took the beds out and gave us this little like mirror station table. Hey girl, hi. The bridesmaids are arriving. Hello. We have champagne buckets, and then we have like an identical suite on this side as well with good lighting, so we love that. But yeah, the day's about to get going. Let me show you my outfit. So this is just from Old Navy. I got the girls like a blue and white striped one, and then I'm just paired it with these little boxer shorts I found at TJ Maxx. So freaking cute. And everyone got slippers as well. So that is the wedding get ready fit. And then here is the little bridesmaids bag in the pink tissue. My mom picked out necklaces for everyone, which is so sweet. So we have that. Everyone has a mini La Marca Prosecco, the Old Navy shirt with the blue and white stripes, so cute. There's slippers. There's also a little like cup in here. Did you open your cup thing?
Yes, I'm obsessed.
These also we did not know were shot glass size. So we thought they were full size. Is that not hilarious?
And they come with a mini straw.
And it comes with a mini straw. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I think that was all. I think that's everything inside. But just a little get ready so we can all get ready together. I did drop off the ones who were at the hotel this morning. I already dropped them off. Michelle's here. I just don't know what room she's in. So they can come up and grab theirs, and we're ready to rock.
So pretty.
Stunning.
Okay, I am officially alone in the bridal suite. The guests are seated out here. They're about to start walking down the aisle. I can't believe it. I'm literally getting married to the love of my life, and I'm so, it's like the first time I really got to sit and like think about it and like, okay, we're here. We finally, like, we're at the last, what feels like the last step of the wedding weekend is like ceremony time, reception time. We did it. We made it. I'm so freaking excited, but I thought I would just check in. The dress is dressing. We've got a little slit here, big long train. Added the veil. The veil's a little poofier than intended, but that's okay. I'm liking it. And then I have just hair on one side in the front. So this is the look. See you guys as a married woman.
I'm just doing a quick little video for her.
Perfect.
All right, Lauren essentially stole my whole speech last night, but when we first started dating, maybe a month or two after we had started, since we're both crazy, we both had the conversations of what the wedding might look like if it happened. We had talked about eloping and then possibly having it in the mountains, which is where Lauren had always dreamed of. And unfortunately for Lauren's dad, we decided the mountains. again, like she said last night, this is, you don't realize how many people love you and care about you until you see a room full of people like this that travel. We know that this took travel time, days off of work, money for flights, money for driving. We really do appreciate everyone being here. Everyone that we love is in this room right now. And we appreciate it greatly more than I can even say right now. You got anything? All right.
Let's eat.
Yeah. Let's party. Have a great time.
vlog.
On your wedding day.
We love you.
We're having so much fun.
We're having so much fun. Love you.